Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to play Flame of Valhalla Global on your PC. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. To do this, you need to install Android emulator. In this video I'll show you an example of how to install LD Player, but you can use any other Android emulator, for example BlueStacks or another one. So first of all, I'll show you how to download LD Player. Go to any browser and type in the search box LD Player download. Okay, press enter and go to the first website. This is their official website where you can download their emulator. Okay, now let's install the app. Just click on download LD Player 9 and after that run this file. But I have already installed this emulator. I have it on my desktop and I can just run it. Double click. You of course after installation run LD Player 2. And now I have an like Android phone on my computer. I can use it and now I can download any game. To do it, just click on apps right here and go to Play Store. And now let's enter Flame of Valhalla in the search box. And now I can install this app, of course, just by clicking on this button. Click on install and wait. This game came out recently and I'm really sure many people want to play it not only on the phone but also on the PC or laptop, for example. Here you can see what is this game. That's how this game looks like. Go back and click on play. Okay, finally I'm in the game. And yeah, now I have to sign in with Google, or I can create a guest account. Let's click here. So guys, that's how you can easily play Flame of Valhalla Global on your PC or laptop. Well, I really hope this video helped you. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also ask your questions in the comments if something wasn't clear for you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.